kids, today we will learn about the concept of what rolls and what slides. Let's start. This is a ball. A ball rolls. This is a pen. A pen rolls. This is an apple. An apple rolls. This is an orange. An orange rolls. Objects that are round will roll. This is a mobile phone. A mobile phone slides. This is a book. A book slides. This is an eraser. An eraser slides. This is a sharpener. A sharpener slides. Objects that has flat surface will slide. This is a dice. So, can you tell me whether it rolls or slides? Yes, it slides since it has a flat surface. This is a mango. Can you tell whether it rolls or slides? Yes, it rolls since it has a round shape. This is a tab. Can you tell me whether it rolls or slides? Yes, it slides since it has a flat surface. This is a carrot. Can you tell me whether it rolls or slides? Yes, it rolls since it is round. This is a pencil. So, can you tell me whether it rolls or slides? Yes, it rolls as well as it slides also, since it is round and has flat surface.